Hi everyone. Today we are doing a AKAI GX-32. This is a customer machine. He just wants to have it serviced, adjusted, belt replaced. So let's dive right in there. A little bit of background. I've never seen one of these before. It's a cassette deck. Can't be too difficult. Basic service, clean, belt replacing, adjusting after that. But I thought it might be interesting to see how we tackle this if we've never seen one of these before. So let me open it up and have a look what's on the inside. That looks fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Transport, wheel motor, one belt. By the way, I do have new belts. Adjustments, meter, doesn't say, playback level. Oh, there's two different playback levels. One for 10K, and I think this then must be 400 Hertz. We'll have a look. Record level, normal bias, metal bias. Okay, that looks fairly interesting. Good little deck. Okay, let's dive into this. Take the transport out. Those screws going from the front. I hope you can see this. There's a screw here, and if I put my screwdriver on the front, I can just reach it. So hopefully, no. I think I'm going to have to take the front panel off because the transport will probably come out towards the front. So let's take the front panel off real quick. There we go. Well, that makes cleaning a lot easier. Oh, we'll figure that one out later. Comes out. Now let's see. Okay. We've got a counter belt. Take that one aside. And there we go. Let me get my clippers and undo the wires. The clip. Let's take this one. And this one. That's the head. There's a plug. That's going to make it easier. Up. It's got some really nice glass heads. Controller doesn't look too bad. Needs a good cleaning. Capstan needs to be cleaned. Wheel motor gear looks to be in order. Okay. Let me put the deck aside. Make some more space. Okay. Looks fairly straightforward. Let me grab the belt. Here we have the belt. AKAI GX-32. One screw on this side. And maybe, yeah, we're gonna have to take the flywheel out. Two screws here for the mechanism. Let's start there. Grab my other screwdriver. Okay, there's one. Oh, there's another screw. Let's open this one up. There's a screw here, here, and here. Don't want to lose them. The other side. One screw here. Let's get my little hook for the belt. Now, it looks like the whole motor plate should come off. Yep, there it goes. And a little clip. There we go. Let's put that aside for a minute. This one doesn't look too bad. It's not round anymore, but it's not sticky. Okay, let's clean the capstan. And oil the flywheel. Little ring. Okay. Let me get my alcohol and pipe cleaner. For this, I am using 99.9% iso alcohol, just to make sure that the capstan bearing is clean. Capstan a little clean. Oh, that's actually quite dirty. And a little bit more. I'm guessing this deck saw a lot of use. some people ask me what kind of oil this is. I hope you can read this. It is PDP65. It is a special thin oil for sintered bearings. Let me, before I do that, give this a quick wipe down. That runs perfectly again. That's nice. Huh. And a new belt. So the new belt is a little bit tighter, but it's quite a bit wider as well. So I hope it doesn't cause any issues. Let me give the motor a quick rundown, wipe down. Okay, now let's put it back together. Okay, I was struggling a bit to find the correct position, but I think I found it. This little piece goes here, the screw goes in there. So, like so. Let me put the other screw in before I can't reach it anymore. Okay, that's one. Now the other one goes in there. Okay, now let's get my little hook and put the belt on. Let's get the belt. That's the belt on. Seems to be running okay. It's a little tight, not too much. That works. Put the little oil ring back on. I don't think there's too much cleaning to be done on the real gear. That looks pretty good. This one looks good. Okay. Head looks good. I'll give it a quick rundown with some IPA. And these glass heads are really nice. There's virtually no wear or anything like that, so they're not too dirty. We'll clean the pinch roller when it's back in the deck, because it's easier when it runs. No, almost forgot. Come on. Counterbelt. So this counterbelt was really loose. So as you can see, this counterbelt was really loose, so I got a little shorter belt. That should work. Let's put it on there. I hope. Yep, that works a lot better. That's the counterbelt. That works. Now get the cassette plate in there, in the right position. Let's plug it back together. Okay, let's do some quick cleaning. Make it look nice. Let's do a quick test. Looks all good. But the proof is in the pudding. Yep, that works. I think maybe I put the heads the wrong way around because the meters were all the way going crazy. That's better. Let me grab the measuring equipment and we'll do a quick, or not so quick, test of the settings. Let's see if we can figure out how to adjust this deck. Very good. Now let's first see if we have, yeah, we have sound, as you can see. So that's good, I think. Let's start with the azimuth first. Oh no. Let me start with cleaning the pinch roller first. Now, one of the subscribers, he commented actually on the channel and he said, you know, instead of 99% IPA, what you should try is this AKAI Clean, rubber cleaning and rejuvenator. Now, I've always used alcohol. I was taught to use alcohol, either that or trichlor. But people saying, well, it does dry out the rubber, and since it's very hard to find new parts, you may want to switch to something like AKAI Clean. So I don't know how this works. It actually smells really nice. Or maybe I should clean it first with alcohol and then use this stuff. Does it do a whole lot? It's kind of oily. Please leave a comment below if you believe it needs to be oily. Let me get my little light and I can have a look. Because if it's really oily, which it looks like it is, I'd much rather not use it. And it doesn't clean very well either. Okay, let me first clean it with alcohol and maybe then a little bit of the RBR AKAI Clean. See, that cleans a lot better. So if you have any experience with AKAI Clean, let me know. I don't trust it because it leaves a very oily residue if I put it on. And I don't know if that's normal or not, or maybe I should just wipe it off. Because if it's oily and sticky, then obviously we're gonna have problems. Tapes might be eaten. Let's try a tape, see what's going on. Doesn't seem to be bad. And it does dry. Maybe I'm just too careful. Maybe I just don't know how this works. Grab another Q-tip. Let's get most of it off. Okay, so if you ever use this, let me know how you apply it, how much you apply it. It says apply to surface using lint-free wipe surface to remove loose contaminants. Reapply, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then turn on the equipment. Okay, so maybe I was just applying it too liberally and expected it to evaporate, but it didn't do much in terms of cleaning. So what I might do is use alcohol and then apply a little bit of rubber stuff. Okay. Where were we? Azimuth. Here's my azimuth. Here is the scope. Let me have a quick look. Azimuth screw down. There we go. And I will lock this in later. Lisa Zhu. Yeah. Okay. Scope. It's a little bit off. Let's see if we can get it a little bit closer together. 45 degrees. Yeah, I think that's as close as I want to get it. Okay. Now, speed. We replace the belt. This is 3150 hertz. So put it on scope. Advanced. Weight RMS 0.1, 3150. Okay, there we go. Speed is a little low. Wound flutter 0.7. Yeah, for this tape that's fine. This tape isn't the best. .3154. I think that's good. Let me grab my own test tape. Terms of wound flutter. .0.098. Well, it doesn't really make a difference. Okay. And level. It'll be level. That's the display is good. Let's put this one on scope. As a quick check. Yeah, that's fairly equal. So azimuth, speed, level. Let's do a quick record and see what that gives us. Let's start with 400 hertz. Output. Rec pause. That's a bit much. Can I use the scope now? Yeah. Balance. Oh, I need to clean the potentiometers. Chord 0. 5. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's spot on actually, I think. Yeah. Let's try 10 kilohertz. Let's see how that records. 0. 10 kilohertz, left and right the same as you can see on the screen. Dolby MPX all off. Or let's rewind. Oh, 1, 2, 3. No. You know what? I'm not going to do anything about that. It's a little high. Might be the tape. So play, record, speed, azimuth, that was okay. Replace the belt, replace the counter belt. I'm calling it a day. So everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the AKAI GX-32. In a few days we'll do I think a Marantz SD60. That might be fun. And otherwise we're going to do a Yamaha KXR730, but I need a new belt for that. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you later.